Welcome to Open Source Options. Thank you for joining us today. In a previous video, I showed you how you could create a map layout for QGIS. Today we're picking up on that map layout and I'm going to show you how you can add a locator map to show where in the world this specific place is located. It's really easy to do, but it is something important that adds a lot of context to your map. So let's go ahead and get started. Before I do anything, I want to make sure that this map layout I've already created, this map, um, doesn't get changed. The way to do that is to select our map. So we have map one here, it is selected. I want to come down here and in the layers section, I want to choose lock layers. I can also lock the styles for this layer, and that will ensure that no matter what I do in my map view, my layout view does not change. Okay, so we've got that locked into place now. All right, now let's go back to my map view here and make some adjustments. So I don't want to show, I want to add a new map to my layout, but I don't want it to show the NDVI. So I'm going to turn that off here. Now I'm going to go back to my layout here, and I am going to add a new map. So to do that, I come over here to the Add Map option, and I can just click and drag to add a new layout. And there you can see it brings in that layer. Now, this is map 2. I want to go to map 2, and I want to come down and I want to find overviews. And I can click on overviews here. I want to click the plus button to add a new overview. I can call this overview 1. And we're going to draw it. We want to choose the map frame. We want to have an overview for map 1. So map 1 here is this map at the bottom. And when I select that, you can now see this overview appears here. That's the area that's showing on map 2, the area that is displayed by map 1. Now we can adjust this frame. And I'm going to come down and I'm going to click Configure Symbol. I'm going to choose the simple fill. Oops. Simple fill. My fill color, or sorry, my fill style is going to be no brush. My stroke color will be black with the solid line. Let's make this a little thicker. About like that. I'm going to change the fill style to some diagonal colors and make those black also. Just drag this to black there. And now you can see my locator map just like that. Now I can adjust this locator map just as any other map. I can come in, go back to this backwards here, close the overviews. I can click on the interactively edit map extent. And now when I click and drag or scroll, it will adjust that. So I want it to be something like that, and I can shrink the size of this down a little bit now. And now I can click back here, and I can zoom in until this fits as I'm interested, as I like. Okay, so there we go. We now have that locked in. And now I'm going to come turn a frame on, and I'm going to bump this up till it's about the same thickness as that there. Okay, so now I have my locator map ready. I just want to make a couple of quick adjustments to make this look a little better. So I'll go back to my move and size tool. I'm going to move my legend over here. And I'm going to drop my locator map down here. And you can see that now I'm showing NDVI for this area. And I can show which area it is located on the map. So that's a really easy way to create a locator map in QGIS. You can imagine that once you understand how to put these different map views in, you can make locator maps in other ways as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out Open Source Options for more free content with some free professional courses on QGIS coming soon. Just sign up for the email list to be notified when those courses are available.